Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python Flask. Today we are going to learn how to encrypt the password using the Python Flask. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to install the pip install flask-bcrypt. Okay. After this, we have a code for that one to encrypt the passwords. So let's see how we are going to do that. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So we are importing the flask from the flask and the request. From the flask bcrypt, we are importing the bcrypt, right? And where we have initialized the flask app, and here we have initialized the bcrypt. So here we have a register. So in the registration process, we are taking the password and generate the hash password. Okay, and just print this one, hash password. Okay, so print hash password. Okay, let's run this. So here we have run. We have encrypted by. Okay, it's running. Let's copy this link and go to the postman. Paste this and we have a register. I think it's a post request. Okay, so just password we have to send. Make a post request body. Make it in a raw and JSON and make it password. Okay, let's try to send it. What happened? Password must not be empty. Let's post this in the form header. Let's have a look. User registered successfully and we receive the hash password. Okay, so this is our hash password, right? So I'm going to use it, copy this, and here we have a stored password, right? So I'm going to uncomment this, and here I'm going to just paste this password. Okay, otherwise we have to fetch it from the stored password, right? Save this. What happened? Unexpected indentation. Save this. Now stored password will match with the hash password and then login successful, else login failed. Saved it. Like next we have a slash login. Okay, indentation, that's create issues. Okay, now I'm going to take a process of the login, and the this is, I suppose I will remove this hash. Let's have a look of that one. Okay, so login failed because the password and the hash is not matched. If I press hash over here, then login successful. Here you can see. So this is how you can do the password hashing with the help of the bcrypt check password hash, stored password, and the entered password. It will match. If it is matched, then login successful, else login failed. And here we have running the application. Okay. So two methods, that is bcrypt.generate hash for hashing the password, right? Decode UTF-8. So this is the main function to hash the password, right? And after this we have the how to match the password that is stored in the DB and the currently which we are sending with the help of the check password hash. With the help of this, you are successfully able to hash the password and check the password correctly. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.